nandito na kami sa bahay. Hailey is now here. I think she's washing her hands. Yeah. So, ang gawin ko guys, kakain na si Hailey. Tapos, i-fold natin yung bread. This is the last na fold na. Yung stretch and fold. And then, i-flat natin and then we will put into the baking pan. So, stretch and fold, guys, again. This is the 4th time. Okay, guys, so this is my baking dish. Ito, for bread. And now I am just putting butter. Para sa ganun, hindi siya didikit, guys. Mas madaling tanggalin. Okay. And then, let's take this out. So, oh my god. It's sticky, guys. Ganun. And then, let's open it. Ganito kasi guys yung nakita ko sa YouTube. Sa tutorial. So, let's see. So, ganyan yung ng tinapay. Yung dish natin. Okay, so ganyan. And what we are going to do is ilagay natin ito, guys. Pag mag-double na yung size niya, pwede nang i-bake, guys. So, ang gagawin ko kasi medyo malamig na. We are going to put this in the oven. Pero yung light niya lang ang naka-on, guys. Para sa ganun as in naaalsa siya. So, coming back to you. So, ayan, guys. Ganyan. I'm not sure if you can see. Okay guys, so kakain na rin ako. Let's eat everyone. Hindi ko na niluto guys yung ampalaya with egg. Panghapunan na lang yun guys kasi we are rushing because Hailey is going to her volleyball class. So eto na guys ang ating ulam. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. Hello guys! So, naihatid ko na si Hailey sa kanyang football class. And now, I am preparing because I'm going to pick up my daughter Lakota. And then, we will go to pick up Hailey. Oh my gosh! I feel like I'm a taxi driver, guys. Yeah, but first, guys? How is my bread? Oh my god! The bread is ready to bake. Malaki na siya, guys. Look at that. Pero, dahil nga, OMG! OMG, mga 5:30 na kami makarating dito sa bahay, guys. Kasi matatapos si Hailey 5:15. Tapos we have 10 to 15 minutes na on the way. Makarating kami dito sa bahay 5:30 na. And then I'm going to preheat the oven. Ewan ko guys kung anong gagawin ko. So, maybe I will pick up Lakota and then we come here. Siguro. I'm not sure kasi, guys, kasi matatapos nga si Hailey 5:15. Sana hindi ma-over, guys. Sana hindi ma-over yung pag-alsa ng ating bread. Pupunta sana kami dito after kumakuha si Lakota. But, kulang pa rin ng time kahit na i-ready ko na at i-bake na. Pero kulang pa rin ng time, guys. So, siguro I can come and bake it. I don't know. Not sure, guys. I will tell you kung anong gagawin ko mamaya. Okay, fast, iha. Kasi siya. Hello, guys. Look at the bread. As in na-overflow na siya, guys. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Na-overflow na siya, people. I'm not sure kung okay ito. Oh my God. Alright guys, so let's put this overproof na bread. Sana inilagay ko sa ref. Okay, let's bake it guys. Okay, and I will show you the outcome later. Alright guys, so ito na yung bread natin. Tinanggal ko na sa ano guys, sa molder. Pinilit kong tinanggal guys sa molder. Diba dumikit sa ano guys? Diba dumikit siya dito, ganito. Kaya, medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin. Kaya, finorce ko siya, guys. Kaya medyo nasira. Pero okay lang, guys. As in, na maganda naman ang outcome niya. Dito lang sa, ano talaga, dito lang sa top niya. Ang medyo ganyan. Alright guys, so habang hinihintay namin si Hailey guys sa volleyball class niya, pumunta kami ni Lakota sa superstore kung saan ako bumili kaninang umaga. Diba may 3 euros and 41 cents tayo na natira? So yun ang ginamit namin. Bumili ako ng, ito yung binili ko guys, cheddar cheese na 2 euros and something. Tapos ito, bumili ako guys ng 4 bread talaga. Yun, Fuerza. This flour has 12 grams of proteins guys. So, yung protein ng flour natin guys ay 12 grams lang. Pero yung sa video, sabi niya na 13 grams daw yung proteins. So, less 1% lang guys. 1 gram, less 1 gram lang yung difference nito. So, I think mas maganda talaga ito pag bread. Mas maganda talaga itong flour na ito pag gagawa tayo ng bread. Pero, yung all-purpose flour is for cupcakes. Siguro mga ganun guys, no? Or anything that you like siguro. Or, pwede sigurong ihalo, paghaluin yung dalawang types of flour. Kasi, yung ginamit natin ay, ano lang siya guys, 9 grams lang ang protein niya guys. Yeah, and I am thinking to make another one. Kasi nga, as in, nandito na tayo sa bahay, hindi na tayo lalabas kung saan-saan. So, maybe I'm going to try. At saka wala naman tayong gagawin. Kasi, tapos na yung extracurricular ni Hailey. Sila ko wala siyang extracurricular activities. Tapos, bukas kasi guys, may klase ako guys. Yeah, so, Tuesday and Thursday may klase ako, English class. I have my students, they come here. And, yun. Kaya, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday ang pwede akong gumawa ng tinapay. But, I really want to use the one that I just bought. That's Hailey. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa niya. What are you doing, Hailey? Okay guys, look what I have. So, bumaba ako guys. Kasi ang aso namin, tahol siya ng tahol. Pinuntahan ko hanggang doon sa gate namin. May tao pala na dumaan, kaya galit na galit siya. And then, nakita ko tong mga pomegranate that they are really ready. Kinain na namin yung iba guys. And wow, they were so good. Iniwan ko ang iba kasi mas maganda kung doon talaga sila sa tree mahinog. Yeah, so kinuha ko 5. Meron pa kong tinatira. Hello guys! So medyo madilim na, as you can see. Nag-start ng dumilim guys. And time check is 7:18 in the evening. And ano guys, na-try ni Hailey ito. Sabi niya na masarap daw. Ito yung outcome ng tinapay. Kaso nga lang, ganyan kasi yung top niya. Tapos, ano guys, parang konti lang kasi. Tapos, wala siyang gaanong structure. Parang madali siyang mabasag. So, ngayon na may bread flour tayo, yung binili natin kanina with Lakota, yun ang gawin natin guys. Okay? And let's see. Total, nandito lang naman tayo sa bahay and we're not going out or doing something. So, we can really see and babysit this bread and hopefully it will be okay guys. So let's go. So guys, the same procedure. Itong milk, 1 cup of milk. So 1 cup and 3 tablespoon. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's warm it up guys Para sa ganun, okay siya. Para ilagay natin yung yeast mamaya kasi it needs lukewarm. Yeast. Akala ko ubos na, wala na akong yeast guys, pero may nakatago pala. So, 1 packet of yeast ang ilagay natin. The same procedure guys, okay? Ayan. And let's see kung okay itong bread flour na ito. Okay guys? Okay guys, ito yung white sugar natin. Hindi ko pa pala na-refill, so I just took this. Nasa ano guys, storage ito. Bulk kasi ako bumibili guys ng sugar, flour. Yes, drinks, mga ganon. Kaso nga lang, 1 month na guys na hindi ako pumunta. So, I'm going very soon. Alright, so, sabi ng video na yun ay, we have, okay, 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Then, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Our olive oil. 1, 2, and 3. And then a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of salt. Mix all together. And then 3 cups of the bread flour. Kumain din sila kuta guys ng bread. Okay, so 3 cups. Let's lagay ko nga sa my plate guys para hindi, or bowl, para hindi malaglag yung flour. And that way we can save the flour properly. One, 2, i-shake natin. 7:28 na guys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Okay guys, so while we are waiting for the timer to beep, now we will cook the ampalaya omelette.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna
Come back in 30 minutes again guys. Itong onions na to guys ay from our garden. Napanood nyo naman siguro, or kung hindi nyo pa napanood sa vlog ko, nasa mga videos ko guys. So, go check if you want to see that video. And we are going to squeeze guys our ampalaya. As in na amoy talaga yung amoy ng ampalaya guys. Busog na busog ako guys kasi naparami ako ng kain kanina sa dinengdeng. Kasi it was so good. Oh my gosh. It's been a while na hindi ako, kailan ba yung last ko na kumain? I think this lunch or kailan ba yun? I don't remember. So hugasan natin and then squeeze. Itong maganda guys pag na-defrost, kahit huwag mo nang lagyan ng asin kasi mas madaling i-squeeze guys pag na-defrost na siya. As in na lumalabas lahat yung pait niya. Ayan. Hinugasan na natin kanina kaya huwag na nating hugasan. Okay? Para ang dami kanina pero konti lang pala. Okay. And now let's Is your sister, did she eat? You can see? Yes, take that one now. Nakalimutan kong i-record, guys. Akala ko naka-press kanina. Hindi pala. And now, we can also add itong ating palaya para sa ganun maluto siya. And let's slice some tomatoes. Ito yung tomatoes na ginamit ko kanina for spreading bread. So let's add in this one. Yung mga maliliit guys ay yung cherry tomatoes from our garden. Ilang itlog kaya? 3 o 2? 3 itlog ang ilagay natin. And let's add a little bit of salt. Sa medium fire guys lang para hindi masunog. Parang okay na guys yung ampalaya natin. And now lagyan natin ng 3 itlog. Gagamitin natin yung binili natin kaninang umaga. So, let's add in, guys. Let's add a little bit more of oil. Ayan guys. Yummy! Ayan. So, ayan ang ulam natin. Ang sarap. Let's try it. So good. I-off ko na guys. Kain tayo guys. Tapos nagpainit din pala ako guys ng dinengdeng. So yun din ang ulamin natin. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. Ito guys ang ating dinengdeng. So ang gustong gusto kong gawin guys ay nilalagyan ko siya ng lemon. As in na ang sarap yung sabaw niya guys na maasim-asim. That's how I like it. Okay guys, so kain na tayo. So nag-beep na yung timer natin. And this is the last time guys na stretch and fold natin. And then we will put it here. Lagay ulit natin dito guys sa molder. Sa sandwich molder natin. Lagyan natin ng maraming ano guys. Kasi nga dumikit siya, di ba? So, let's try to add a lot of butter guys. Kasi as in na melted itong butter. Ayun, yun ang gusto ko. Na consistency niya para hindi siya didikit. At saka, mas madaling tanggalin of course. Kasi yung isa kasi kanina guys na ano siya, di ba? Para siyang nag-overflow kasi. Yung isa. Tapos, medyo kunti lang din ang inilagay ko kasi na butter kanina. Kasi nga, we were rushing. Okay. So, time check, guys, is 9:12. So, ayan. So, all covered. I hope this will be okay. And now, what we are going to do is lagay natin yung bread here. Yung malinis na dito, guys. So, it's here. Now, what we are going to do is, let's spread at anuhin natin yung size ng pan. So let's spread like this. Diyan ako naglagay guys ng flour. So, anuhin natin yung size ng ng pan. Okay na siya. 9:13 is the time. And now, i-roll natin guys. Ganon. Ganon. And then, dito sa sides niya, ganon lang. And let's take our molder, ilagay natin. And then, let's press it. Yun kasi guys, ang pinanood ko. Let's press it na ganon. Para even yung pagka-alsa niya guys. Okay. Like that. Okay. Now, we will put into our, ayan siya guys. We will put inside the oven like what we did kanina. Na just turn on the light for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half guys. So, bale, inilagay ko ng 1 hour and 15 minutes guys. Total, nandito naman tayo. Tapos, kung kulang pa ang pag-alsa niya, we will put another 15 minutes. Basta i-check na lang natin. Basta pag mag-double na yung size niya, guys, or pag umalsa na, more than sa molder natin, yun, pwede na nating i-bake. So, update you guys later, yeah? Okay, guys. So, itago natin sa Tupperware yung natira na egg omelette. Yung natira na ampalaya omelette. Ang sarap, guys. Hindi sana ako mag-dinner kasi lang. Ang sarap! At naubos ko din yung gulay. Ayan. How can I do that? So, like this. So, bale, ito lang yung natira. Ako lang naman kasi guys ang kumakain nito. Kung nandito yung asawa ko, siya at ako, pero mga bata, they don't. Okay, so may ulam tayo bukas. Okay guys, so ito na. Okay, it needs a little bit more guys. And the time is 44 minutes more. Pero kung umalsa na yun siya guys, as in we have to stop it and bake it. Okay guys, so tulog na si Hailey. Nakatulog siya sa sofa. And I am telling Lakota to go and brush her teeth. Nakapag-brush na ako ng teeth guys. Na isarado ko na rin yung mga pintuan sa baba. Sana mga aso namin hindi sila tatahol tonight. Para makatulog. Yeah, para makatulog kami, guys. Kasi as in super kasi, super calm kasi dito, guys. As in wala kang maririnig. Mga sasakyan lang. Tapos kung madaling araw, kung walang sasakyan na dadaan sa kalsada. Kasi main road kasi yung sa kabila namin, guys. Tapos ito naman, ano siya, secondary road lang siya, national. So, bakit kaya ang aso namin? Pupunta na siya sa bed niya. Okay. Ayun. Very good. So, yung isang aso namin, nandito na rin siya. Kumain na rin siya. Yeah, ganun. So, hindi ko pa i-close ang vlog, guys. Kasi hindi pa natin, kasi kulang pa yung bread. Kasi gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. So, samahan ko sila Kota to brush her teeth. And then, kasi pinaliguan ko siya. Naligo si Hailey una and then Lakota. So, basang mga buhok nila. Pero, si Lakota okay na yung buhok niya na dry na. And now, mag-toothbrush na lang sila. And then, going to bed. Renyo ba? Mina. Nana, let's go brush teeth. And Hailey, natulog siya dito sa sofa. Pero kung magising yan siya, pupunta siya sa bedroom niya. Okay guys, so pinainit ko na yung oven kasi nag-double na yung size niya guys. Can you see? Mas mataas dito. At inilagay ko na rin yung oven. Mainit na siya. Na-preheat ko na yung oven. Mainit na siya. So let's put this. Okay guys. Here. Ayan. Into 180 degrees guys in 25 minutes. Meanwhile, Lakota is going to her bedroom and we're going to read a book and then matutulog na siya, guys. Si Hailey natutulog na siya on the sofa. But she's going to, once she wakes up, she goes to her bed. Okay, guys. So, see you in a bit. Okay, guys. So, this is the book that we are reading. Hello, guys. So, I am now with my nightgown, my pajamas. So, 1 minute na lang, guys. And then, mag-beep na siya. And, yeah. So excited. Nagbibip na, guys. Okay. So, let's stop it. Okay. We're going to take the bread para hindi siya ma-overcook, guys. Tara! Nice! Okay, guys. Very nice ang outcome niya. Yung bread talaga, yung flour is talagang pang bread yun siya, guys. Look. Tapos hindi kasi napaalsa talaga ng sobra kagaya kanina. Siguro okay din sana yung kanina kung as in na hindi na sobrahan. So habang mainit pa, guys, we're going to spread some butter. Guys, oh, I have a small one here. Is it better with this light on or better? No, ganon. Oh, very beautiful, guys. Tulog na si Lakota, guys. Nagbasa kami ng books. And then yun, tulog na siya. Kung alam niya na nandito ako sa kitchen, pupunta yan siya dito. Pero tulog na siya. She's tired. Maghapon siya sa school, guys. Doon na siya nagla-lunch. Si Hailey naman, dito siya sa bahay nagla-lunch kasi natatapos siya ng 2:30. Oh, wow. Very beautiful. Okay, guys. So, I'm amazed talaga. We have to remove it, guys, para hindi maging soggy and very soft kasi still very hot. Para yung moist niya hindi ma-stuck sa baba at maging soggy yung bread natin. So, we're going to transfer this. So, we're going to put this to the cooling rack para sa ganun maganda ang pagka-cool niya, guys. At we have to wait for 1 hour before we sliced. But because it's late, I don't want to eat bread as well. And then, bukas na lang natin i-slice. Sana nga hindi maging matigas. Bukas. So, I'm very happy. So, that's our bread. This is our cooling rack, guys. Ilagay natin dito. Wow! It's soft siya, guys. Ayan. Oh, nice! I love it. I love it, love it. Can't believe it. Maganda ang pagkagawa niya, guys. I am so happy, guys, na I tried for the second time. Kahit yung isa na medyo failed yun kasi nga na-overproof kasi siya, kaya yun. But this one is just perfect. Yes, and I'm so happy. So, tomorrow morning, i-update ko kayo, guys, kung ano ang itsura niya. Okay? Kasi na, I can't wait. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I'm so grateful, guys, for all the feedback. Yung sa latest na video ko na weekend vlog ng Filipina Spanish family. Thank you all so much, guys, for subscribing and for watching that video. Please continue supporting our channel, and I hope na magustuhan nyo yung mga videos na ginagawa ko dito sa amin, guys. Part of our life, kung paano ang buhay namin dito sa bukid ng Spain, guys. So, once again, thank you all so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and hope to see you again very soon, guys. So, bye, good night, and see you tomorrow. Hello friends, good morning. So today is the next day. Today is Tuesday and my girls are at school already, Lakota and Haley, and I'm at home. When I arrive home, I just let our dogs out for a while, guys, para sa ganun they can do their things. And then after that, I'll let them in and I'm going to feed our animals. So, magva-vlog tayo today again, guys. It's like the continuation of yesterday. And I hope I can upload the video very soon. And I just want to show you guys about the bread that I baked last night. And it turned out so beautiful. I didn't try yet because I just arrived home. And I want to try it now, guys. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. I made sandwiches for Haley and Lakota already. So, hindi ko ipinakita sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa yung mga sandwiches nila because it's quite early, guys. Kaya yun. And now, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. So, ito yung bread. As in, ayan na, guys, na-slice na nga siya because, yun nga, binaon ng mga anak ko. And as ina, ang ganda ng pagkaluto niya. Ang ganda ng outcome. Yun. Kasi nga guys, ang ginamit natin ay yung bread flour, which is 12% protein here, or 12 grams. I think 12 grams protein ang meron siya, yung flour na ito. Tapos, yung ginamit ko kasi na una, siguro maganda rin sana ang outcome kung hindi siya na overproof. Tapos, binake kasi natin, hindi natin shinate. Tapos, yun, kaya failed yung una, kaya ayaw kong madismaya. So, I did the second one and it turned out so great, guys. And, ang gusto kong gawin, guys, ay gagawa tayo ng grilled cheese. I'm going to slice 2 slices and then we put it in the pan. So, yun ang gawin natin. As you can see, here is the bread, guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya, ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda. Super. So, I let the bread here on the countertop, guys. Since tinanggal ko last night until now. Okay, so, how can I show you? Ayan. So, let's slice another one. So, I'm planning to make another one, guys, again. So, ayan. Ito ang lagyan natin ng... Okay, let's cook it. Alright, guys. So, let's put a little bit of butter. So, lagyan natin, guys, ng cheese. So, breakfast ko ito, guys, not lunch, okay? Cheddar cheese. Isa lang. And then, let's add cold meat. And let's see kung ano ang labas niya, guys. Kung maganda nga siya or masarap nga siya. Okay, people? So, this is heavy breakfast, huh? Okay, 3 lang ang ilagay natin. And then, the second piece on top. Ganon. So, let's... Okay, guys. So, okay na siya. Ayan. Let's see it. Hiwain natin, guys. Let's try it. Let's try it. So, masarap siya, guys. It's a winner. And I'm planning to make another one. But, half-half siya. Half na wheat flour. And then, white na bread flour, guys. And let's see kung ano yung kalabasan niya. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it today or tomorrow. Yeah, kasi 10:30 na, guys. Yung mga aso namin nasa labas pa. And, hindi ko pa pinapakain yung mga... yung mga animals namin. So, sunduin ko muna yung mga aso namin sa garden. And then, magpakain na ako ng mga animals. So, see you guys later.